Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today question is: a company wants to build an application for a new line of business. According to the AWS Wealth Architecture Framework, what design principles should be implemented? Select two options. Option A: consolidate multiple AWS accounts into a single account. Option B: buy and host hardware in the AWS cloud. Option C: decouple the AWS cloud architecture to break up monolithic deployments. Option D: move on-premises network hardware to VPCs. And option E: design elasticity into the AWS cloud design. The correct answer is option A and E. Next question is: which AWS service has a feature to analyze real-time data as the data is streamed into AWS data storage systems? Option A: Amazon Simple Queue Service. Option B: Amazon Nessus. Option C: Amazon Athena. And option D: Amazon S3. The correct answer is option B. Next question is: which of the following are advantages of the AWS cloud? Select two options. Option A: AWS manages all the security within the cloud. Option B: expenses never change from month to month. Option C: users can stop spending money on the maintenance of data centers. Option D: users do not need to deploy applications globally. And option E: users can stop guessing about resource capacity. The correct answer is option C and E. Next question is: a company is investigating the possibility of keeping some services in its own premises data center and having some resources in the AWS cloud. The company currently accesses AWS over the public internet. Which AWS service or feature will facilitate private connectivity between the on-premises servers and the AWS resources? Option A: NAT Gateway. Option B: AWS Direct Connect. Option C: Amazon S3 Transfer Acceleration. And option D: AWS WAF. The correct answer is option A. Moving to next question. A company wants to build web and mobile applications that are scalable, secure, and easily integrated with AWS authentication services. What can the company use to develop these applications quickly and efficiently? Option A: AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Option B: Amazon Lightsail. Option C: AWS Code Pipeline. And option D: AWS Amplify. The correct answer is option D. Next question is: which AWS service or tool offers consolidated billing? Option A: AWS Artifact. Option B: AWS Budgets. Option C: AWS Organizations. And option D: AWS Trusted Advisor. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next question. A company plans to store sensitive data in an Amazon S3 bucket. Which task is the responsibility of AWS? Option A. Activate encryption at rest for the data. Option B. Provide security for the physical infrastructure. Option C. Train the company's employee about cloud security. And option D. Remove personally identifiable information from the data. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, a company runs Amazon EC2 instances in a research lab. The instances run for 3 hours each week and cannot be interrupted. What is the most cost-effective instance purchasing option to meet these requirements? Option A. Compute savings plan. Option B. On-demand instances. Option C. Convertible reserved instances. And option D. Spot instances. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which actions are within the scope of AWS support? Select two options. Option A. Debugging custom software. Option B. Troubleshooting operational problems with AWS resources. Option C. Performing system administration tasks. Option D. Investigating issues detected by health checks. And option E. Developing application code. The correct answer is option B and C. Moving to next question. Which guidelines are best practice for using AWS Identity and Access Management? Select two options. Option A. Share access keys. Option B. Create individual IAM users. Option C. Use inline policies instead of customer managed policies. Option D. Grant maximum privilege to IAM users. And option E. Use groups to assign permissions to IAM users. The correct answer is option C and E. Next question is, an online retail company is having a sale next month that will generate an increase in traffic for the company's application. The company plans to add new Amazon EC2 instances to support the increased demand on the application. The application must be able to accommodate the increase in traffic and cannot experience any downtime. Which EC2 instance purchasing option will meet these requirements at the lowest cost? Option A. Reserved instances. Option B. On-demand instances. Option C. Spot instances. And option D. Dedicated hosts. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which benefit is always free of charge with AWS regardless of a user's AWS support plan? Option A. AWS Developer Support. Option B. AWS Developer Forums. Option C. Programmatic Case Management. And option D. AWS Technical Account Manager. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which of the following are aspects of AWS Shared Responsibility Model? Select two options. Option A. Configuration management of infrastructure devices is the customer's responsibility. Option B. For Amazon S3, AWS operates the infrastructure layer, the operating systems, and the platforms. Option C. AWS is responsible for protecting the physical cloud infrastructure. Option D. AWS is responsible for training the customer's employees on AWS products and services. And option E, for Amazon EC2, AWS is responsible for maintaining the guest operating system. The correct answer is option A and C. Thank you.